Prime Day deals have already begun. You can find these in a couple different ways. I'll leave a shortcut link in the description down below. It'll take you to this page here where you can sort through all these different Prime Day deals, and you can search through these if you're buying a car even, or deals for businesses, 40% off Amazon brands, all this kind of stuff. Now, if you want to search through these, a quick little tip is to go to Alexa for shopping, or that little Alexa A icon at the bottom of your phone. And you can actually ask Alexa for certain things, like what are the best deals on TVs? I could search through Alexa just by using my voice. I use Whisper Flow. There's a link for that in the description down below. And she will actually, Alexa will actually give us the best Prime Day deals. So you can see these limited time deals. Alexa will actually put these in here. You can kind of shop through them and click on them to go to those landing pages. Now you do need Prime to shop Prime deals. To get Prime, you can actually get it for free. I'll leave a link in the description for a 30-day free trial and a 6-month free trial if you're a student or between 18 and 24 years old. But I would say these two ways are the best ways to look up Prime deals. You can go to this landing page and kind of sift through categories, but to actually search for them, I would say use Alexa and kind of ask whatever it is that you're looking for, and for specifically Prime Day deals, and you're going to find all these deals.